about now? We must be back now. Is the audio okay? Hello, 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 hello. Check 1 2. Hello, can you hear me? How's the volume? It's not crackly at all? Hello, hello everybody. Not crackly? Doesn't sound too bad? Yo, brother Sly, thanks for the super chat, man. Maybe you didn't have to do it like that, brother. Maybe just all capitals next time. Okay, you can hear all good? No audio problems? Volume is a bit low. Yeah, it's on the lower side when I'm inside. Let me just turn it up a bit more. How about now? Okay. Are we good now? Perfect. Got a perfect in there. We all good now? That's the one? That's good, that's good. Sorry, I haven't really been around in a while, chat. I've been at funerals, eh? Yeah, it has not been the one, I'll say that much. It's been a bit of a rough one. It has been a bit of a rough one, man. But so my kids lost their great grandfather beginning of last week, and then my godchildren lost their great grandmother. Then there was another tangi after that, and then eventually on Friday over the weekend, one of the brothers from the carving school passed away. So that's where I was over the weekend, pretty much just at that. So yeah, it's been a bit of a trying time, I won't lie. Even now I'm still a bit tired, but you know, I still got a stream for you guys, and I will do so. Still quite a bit of timber here. Sorry, I'm just marking out some spots. Oi! Yo, Crummer! Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that, Oha, my bro. So yeah, it's that's one of the main reasons I haven't really been streaming that much, chat. It's just been funeral after funeral, pretty much. So yeah, I'm a bit tired, but I'll get a Whakairo stream in for you guys today. And yeah, I gotta get my A back into G because I've got a sponsored stream tonight. Yeah, I've got a bit of a sponsored stream tonight, so I gotta do that. Are you from Australia? Fuck no! Hell no, I'm not from Australia. No, I'm from next door. How you been, Luke? Has anyone gone to see Super Mario yet? How good is Fox McCloud? How good does my boy Fox McCloud look? Star Fox was one of the first N64 games I played along with Ocarina of Time. Let me get my blocks. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to go watch the Super Mario movie. Pretty excited. You have like an Aussie accent? I do not have an Aussie accent. Get out of here, man. I do not. Where are we? How you been, brother master? Shuffle joining our green stream, my bro. I will most likely move my GTA streams to the green site, my bro. So I'm probably only going to be streaming GTA there for a bit because they don't really do too well on Twitch. I'm missing something. Okay. So yeah, look, we'll be looking to do that very soon, my bro. But how you been? Okay, I have quite a bit of timber we need to drop down. Alright chat, let's get this out of the way. Careful mixing up accents. How you been, Rem? How's Mega been? I know she'll be busy as with parent life. I hardly message in the Twitch Ambassador Discord, so I never really know what's going on with most people. I don't mind Australia. Eh? I like Melbourne. Melbourne's pretty cool. Yeah, I enjoyed my time in Melbourne when I went over last year for PAX. If it helps, they never leave, bro. Yeah, it's all good, brother. It's just been spiritually fatiguing going to one funeral after another. Sorry, I'm trying to get this bloody device to lock in. But it just ain't for some reason. Tama, how you? I need to go to town and get a new tripod for the TikTok streams. But this ain't even locking in, eh? No, it's not. Ooh, might have to get a new one. I hope not. I hate buying new crap. What time do you guys have? What time? The time here is 11:48 in the morning, if that helps. Why are you not gripping, brother? There we go. We're on. Saw the reels from the Instagram. It's really funny. Yeah, but opening up the gates whilst losing weight at the same time. How you been, brother? How you been? It's 1 AM in Germany. Damn. Don't stay up too late for me, my brother. You gotta get that sleeping. Gotta get that sleeping, my brother. So over the weekend, we ended up carving the bro's coffin as well. I don't know if I'm allowed to show this, but surely. So just a little bit of context, guys. One of the carvers from the carving school passed away over the weekend. And we had the honour of carving his coffin for him. Now I know you can't really see that. So that's from the head down. He's not in there, by the way. So yeah, we fully carved it up. There it is again. So yeah, we done all of that the night before he got put in. So yeah, it was a bit of a sad time for the carving school, and I only just found out as well that the carving school's numbers have gotten low in terms of workers, which I have never seen happen in my entire life. So yeah, a bit sad to see that happen to the school. Yeah, a bit sad to know that the school's kind of struggling with workers right now. I mean, if I could, I'd go. I won't lie to you guys, chat. But they'll have to figure it out somehow. But I don't reckon I would get asked because the current guy there. Well, long story short, I wasn't a yes man to me. Like when it came to the stuff of the carving, like we're carving, and he tried to tell us what to do. I'm like, bro, you ain't a carver, who are you? That wasn't really me. Hashtag defiant a little bit. Just a little bit, chat. So yeah, it wasn't ideal. Why is our music continuing to stop? Yeah, it was hard to me. It was hard for me to take carving advice from someone who's never carved it, you know? And this was me as a student too. So yeah, he's kind of the head honcho of you know, who gets the jobs within the school. He's not the main man in the school. But yeah, I probably wouldn't get asked. If it was offered, I don't know, I'd probably consider it because, you know, with streaming these days, I'm not really the bee's knees in streaming world, so I think for me it's more so, you know, there's stability there if I was offered the job. Those are kind of the things I'm thinking about right now. Like if I'm being completely honest and real, I'm not you know, doing the best as a streamer. What are you carving now? Still the tiki, bro. That's how long I've been off carving for. And now with the school holidays coming up, it's I need to hurry the fuck up. So yeah, there's pretty much the last school day of the week, and then they're on 2-week holiday, the little sheiks. So yeah, that was a bit fast too. Angels, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. They'd be stupid not to ask you. Yeah, it's a bit of a 50-50, my bro. Just because of my stance on how I was as a student. If you want to make it in that place, my bro, you got to be a yes man. And I never was to someone that never carved. Thank you very much, Crummer. I appreciate you, my bro. Like the boys were talking about it over the weekend too. Like, cause the ones that have left, they're talking about how. So what they said was, bro, it's pretty mean when you leave the school, eh? You know, and you gain so much, and the main thing you gain is freedom, eh? And they stopped and went, bro, that's actually true. I told you, he's got too comfortable. I mean, stability is great, but how are you going to grow as a carver in a place where you're comfortable? That's why I declined when I graduated. So that was my main problem with me, chat. I was not a yes man. I never was. And I never will be. Or if I was up there, you know, getting told by someone who's never picked up a tool in his life. Because I little broed him straight away. And this was as a first year as well. So yeah, don't be like me, chat. Don't be like me. Wonderful, thanks, brother. Yeah, we've been on it for a while, but it would have been finished if these bloody funerals didn't pop up. Time to get my head down. All good, brother. Have a good sleep, eh? Have a good sleep, my bro. Yeah, like in nature, I'm a real defiant person. It comes from my tribal traits as well. The tribe I come from is well, that's one trait we're renowned for. Always pushing against the grain. Alright. Okay, that's good enough. So we'll the main thing for us today is to draw up and then hopefully start one of the faces, okay? That's what we're going to be doing today. Well, I don't know how long I'm going to be on today. Super late start for me. I apologize for that, guys. I was, I'll be honest, I was just trying to bring myself to go live, eh? Thank you very much, Tanner, for the biddies too, my bro. And thank you very much to all those watching on YouTube and the green site as well. But yeah, I think in terms of like GTA RP, I'm going to be moving it over to Kick. And I found my sharpening stone as well, so we need to start sharpening up some of me blades. I'm often awake or busy around this time. Oh, really? Oh, che. Yeah, I was catching up with some of my some of the carvers from my intake as well. Or only two of us are still carving to this day. One of them's become a teacher, so he's like, I teach Harvard level English. I was like, Chew! So you just teach English? I was like, oh, true, bro. But yeah, everyone seems to be doing good in my intake, no matter what path they're on. The stoner of our crew, or of our intake back in the day, he's become quite business-minded now. So that's good, and he's balding. Keep in mind, he was the youngest in our crew too. So, oh! I saw him and I went, holy shit, our cue ball. He's like, ah, yeah, ratchet. Yeah, so the youngest in our intake has He's a little bit of a cue ball now. So very unfortunate for him, but you know, that's genetics. That's just how it goes sometimes. So yeah, that was pretty funny. Alright. Yeah. Still a lot of timber there, eh? Wow, still a lot of timber there. How are you guys, chat? Like, genuinely, how have you been? I'm trying to catch up with you guys too. So if the word works aloud as chat, they're scraping the road and putting another seal on. Yo, O'Neill, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Shaquille O'Neal. Thank you very, very much, my brother. Had a good catch up with my little brother as well, because he's gone back to the carving school. Oh, he's not my brother biologically, he's my cousin. But we were brought up like siblings. Hey, what up, O'Neill? How you doing, brother? Beautiful work. Thank you very much, kind sir. Yeah, oh, Master, I know you be busy, my bro. Also, guys, I have finished my sub-goal incentives for our 6-year anniversary, if you didn't know. April. Wait, we're in April, right? Yeah. So April is my anniversary month of streaming. And we have a couple of sub goals. Oh, what's up, Billzard? Hey, how you been, brother? Yeah, we've got a couple sub goal incentives for our 6-year anniversary coming up this month. And I'll read them out to you soon, eh? If he's like. Take a minute. No, we're all good. So, let me get my phone actually. Alright, so, where the bloody hell is it? It is... So at 100 subs, Coach Karaora just turned up, W. So 100 subs draw 5 subs on MS Paint. 200 subs is Teach Te Reo Maori. 300 is plan a Pokemon Yellow Marathon. 400 is a Spam Musubi cooking stream. 500 is open a PO box which has been requested for like how many years now. 600 is wax strip the pits. 700 is Fat Brothers 15 patty burger challenge. It's a place here. 800 is an IRL busking stream. And 900 is a hot wings challenge. And at 1,000, if we get there, will be a Whakairo giveaway. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a Whakairo giveaway too. So I'll give away a carving, and I'll probably do that live on stream if we do hit it. And I'm gonna bring back the wheel of Arch My Life. If you remember there from the last subathon I did about 3 years ago, I had this thing called the wheel of Arch My Life, where it had dry wheat bix, Vegemite, and hot sauce. So we'll add the dry wheat bix and the Vegemite back on, and we had Stromming on there too, but I enjoyed it too much, so that was kind of that yeah, didn't really go too well for viewing experience because I ate it. So I'm probably gonna add what's that bloody jelly bean roulette thing, and some of them are like taste like spew and used bandages and all that stuff. I don't know how the hell they got that taste, but yeah. You know we like pain. I'll be honest, I think I'll be alright, because I wax stripped my legs for Kapa Haka and that didn't feel bad. Yeah, I went all the way up. All the way up, see? I don't know if, you know, armpit is a whole different level, but yeah, we'll see. Pits are more sensitive than legs. Okay. Yeah, we'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. I'm pretty keen to give it a go. Bean Boozled, I think they're called. Yeah, yeah. There's an American lolly shop here. If you don't know what lollies is in other terms, it's sweets, candy. We just call them lollies here. How you been, Bullsard? I was gonna add some more incentives on, but I think, you know, I don't know if I'll even get to 1,000. So I don't want to, you know, ask too much. Because I was going to add maybe buy a Gundam or a Zoid thing and build it on stream. That was one thing I thought of, but I was like, oh, that might be a bit too much, actually. So I decided not to. But yeah, how did those incentives sound to you guys? It's just a one-off thing I do for streaming or for my streaming anniversary. I'll be honest, I don't even do subathons on my streaming anniversary. This is probably like the second time we've ever done it. And I'm gonna put a section in the Discord where people can share Zoids is so, bro. I love Zoids, eh? There was one of my shows back in the day, bro. Like, I used to go to my grandfather's all the time, and because he'd fall asleep so early, it was around the time there was Zoids was always on, and bro, I used to indulge. This is Pine, brother. Thing is, I don't know. Like, I am considering doing a bit of a Zoids incentive, but I'm not expecting to hit every single goal, to be honest. I'm just keen to have the most fun I can with you guys for the anniversary, and then we will go to from there. This one's a bit smaller, so we gotta much better. What's your favorite part of Whakairo? All of it, my bro. Genuinely, I say that as genuinely as possible. All parts of it, because it's all learning. Everything you do within Whakairo has some form of learning to it. Okay, so the lowest point. Oh, that's pretty low. Shit. Hold on, guys. So, one. Just marking out the mouth real quick before we carry on. 2. 3. 4. 'Somebody stop me. Who was my favourite Zord? I just can't go past like a 0E. And the Panzer upgrades, bro. What a talent and gift to be able to do that. Oh, I guess over the years, Jess, over the years you just start to kind of get an eye for it. And it just saves time too, not having to use a ruler. So I usually just go from the center line, and then you should be sweet. Yep, there's the even. 1, 2. I'll put that a bit higher. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, we're sweet. Okay, we can start now. We've kind of got the... Hi, what do you want? Do not walk in the camera. Stay over there. Stay over there. Yeah. Kijk die pier aan die kwijt, ja.
I was saying in the house that I like to copy.
Oh, are you watching on the TV?
Now on your computer.
Oh. Didn't you want to use Mum's card and drop a bit of a 5 gifted? Nah.
Want a toy?
You want a toy? Oh, if you didn't know, chat, so this is my second girl. So one of the chat...
Wait, but you said...
Yes, I'm about to explain it. So about 3 months ago, the bro Chef Vic, he's probably not in the stream at the moment, gifted some... he donated to the stream, and 3-4 months ago, and that money was actually for Donnie Thornberry next to me. And yeah, she hasn't forgotten, so yeah, we still got to go do that. She reminds me every day. Yeah, elephant brain.
You're an elephant brain.
It's a compliment. Do you want to say hi to everyone?
Hi!
Yeah, she's the second born, you can probably tell. Don't go in the camera. Stay on this side, please. No.
I'm still born.
You're born for 5 years. You've been born for 5 years, you egg. Hey, what do you want? Just to annoy me.
Just have our fish, eat some fishy.
Get some fresh air. How about you go wash your ass? You still got gel in your hair from your play last night. Go and wash your ass. You stink.
You mean wash my hair?
And your ass.
Then
What's up, not Enix? Is that how I say your name, brother? Alright, go inside now. Go on. Go now. Wash your ass. Fucking stinky. Today was the last day of school, Chat, and they're having a big disco at school today. So it's all just fun stuff. And then old Egg and Nia wanted to stay home. But her big sister went to school. So I just joined the mouth in. Yeah, she's the second born, as you could probably tell with how rough she is. She's a little shit. But yeah, she's my little shit. But yeah, she's the rough one, guys. She loves jiu-jitsu. Fuck, she loves that stuff. Jiu-jitsu, being outside, eels. She likes eating eel. I mean, I do too, so I can't complain. Alright guys, here we go. So one thing we want to keep in mind, okay? Hey, what's up, Supernova? So one thing we got to keep in mind for this face, okay? We want to make sure we keep an eye on the side. Yeah, we got to keep an eye on the side here, guys. Ooh, okay. Just seeing which way our green is going for this side. So yeah, she's pretty much held on to the fact that the bro Chef Vic donated to the stream 4 months ago and said that was for her for a toy, and she has not let me forget ever since. So yeah, I gotta go and do that at some point. They're pretty excited to go and watch Super Mario though. Alright. what, tier 3? I thought you were a tier 1. Thank you very much for the 21 months as a tier 3, my bro. Jeepers. How you been, brother? How you been? Sorry I haven't really been around at all, my bro. I've been really busy just with family stuff. Just with family stuff, my bro, but I'm back now. Your guys' streamer has returned. And unfortunately for you guys, there are going to be League of Legends streams. Now, why do I say that? Because the man, the myth, the best support in the game is getting the victorious skin. So I need that, because that is my main man right there. Keep in mind, I don't really play ranked that much. Or at all. So one of my favorite characters in the game is getting a victorious skin, and I want it. I really want it. Okay. See, some of the students at the carving school called me Brooks, and I was like, don't call me that. Just call me, say his real name. And I think they were a bit taken back by me saying that too. It's like, you don't need to call me that. You have to subscribe to call me that. Hey, what up, Penguin King? What are you working on today? Still the tiki, my bro. Legit, this has been my first carving stream back for a couple weeks. I've been at a couple of days, I should say, not a couple of weeks. I've been at well, funeral after funeral, to be honest. Like even now, I'm like still a bit tired. We had to had to bury one of our brothers yesterday from the carving school. First time in a while someone from the carving school has passed away. So pretty much he just went to go and celebrate his life. He went to go and celebrate his life and just be with all the brothers. And even before that, my kids lost their great-great-great-grandfather as well. And then my godkids lost their great-great-grandmother. So yeah, it's been a busy couple days, my bro. A busy couple days. So I ain't even gonna lie, I'm freaking tired as hell. But you know, I need to deliver as your guys' streamer too, you know. I'll get the stream in no matter what. Because I owe it to you guys. For all the crazy support. But yeah, I just need to... That's a lot of greats. Yeah, My wife's grandfather, or great-grandfather, was a great-great. I think it's great-great, yeah. So he actually has six generations, and he met the sixth while he was alive too. Yeah, he has 6 generations, and he met the latest edition before, you know, his unfortunate passing. So, you know, in a sense, that's pretty cool. You know, he lived a great life, surrounded by all his loved ones. Oh, shiza. Okay, we've got to go back the other way. And, yes, like we always said it, stubborn bloodline, eh? And his sister passed away at 103. And but he passed away 98 years old. And they were celebrating his birthday on Monday. So he didn't quite make it to his birthday. And then yeah, my godkid's great-great-grandmother unfortunately had a stroke and she just couldn't recover from it, eh? So and then there was that funeral, and one of the brothers from the carving school unfortunately passed on Friday last week from a heart attack. Now the only way he was found, he was off on a flight to go and see his son, and he missed that flight, so one of the aunties went around to go and see if he was okay. And yeah, he was at the door. The key was in the door and the door was open, and unfortunately, yeah, those were his last moments. He was going to see his son. So very unfortunate. So it's been a mental and spiritual fatigue last few days. But you know, like I said before, I owe it to you guys to carry on. Because you guys support me. Okay. Thank you, Static Skill. Appreciate you, my brother. Hope you enjoy it, my bro. Hope you enjoy it. Sorry, you guys. I'm just gonna move these around here and there because I need to get the optimum angle. This spot's gonna be a bit ugly. We just gotta be mindful of an EA. Shit. It should be okay though. Should be. gonna be a hard one. Just trying to, I think our grain's going down, bro. Damn. Are you afraid of making mistakes? Hell no. I do mistakes for breakfast. It's all part of the learning, eh? And for Whakairo, you can't be, I'm never gonna make mistakes. Don't make mistakes because I'm too scared. I was like, well, how are you gonna learn? That's always my thing. How are you gonna how are you gonna learn if you don't make mistakes? I'm never afraid to make mistakes, bro. Never. I welcome them. Whenever they happen, I guess. Yeah, when it comes to, no matter what art form you do, you can't be afraid to make mistakes, eh? In my opinion. This one's gonna be pretty hard though, because our grain is going down. See? Can you see that? So that all those rips there. So that's going against. Now we have to figure out how we are gonna get, get it clean in the best way we can. Okay, check up. How we doing? How we doing? Is everyone okay? Is everyone all good? Jay, brother master. Morning from North Auckland. Jay, so North Shore was that, I was over in North Shore, not last week, but the week before. Oh, Jesus. I had to go to Playtech to get my PC serviced. No way I can get a clean cut that way. Oh, that's yuck. Okay, well, I'm just gonna have to roll with that for now. No. Is there a website or purchase your products? No, I don't use websites, my bro. I'd rather make a genuine connection with someone than use a website. Sorry, my bro. Yeah, I'm real anti-website. I know you know. Like a lot of people saying it'll generate you a lot of money. It's like, but it's that genuine connection I'd rather make. Call me old-fashioned, brother. If you want my bro, exclamation mark Discord. Yes. Kapai. See ya.
Can we go get toy apple back?
I don't think $10 will get you the toy you want in this day and age, my dear. Also, guys, I forgot to mention too with the anniversary, I'm trying to find or figure out where to get Yu-Gi-Oh! Or like cards in my country, because I want to get that latest Yu-Gi-Oh! Set. I don't know if you have seen it. There's a Rivals and a Heroes collection. And there is a Dark Magician in the Heroes one. It's like a full out Dark Magician, bro. It looks good. It looks good. I really want to try and chase that card. So we're going to do breaks on the Twitch anniversary too. We'll be doing a little bit of that as well. So I'm just looking over this. I think I might have to go a bit deeper. Yeah, so if anyone knows where we can get some Yu-Gi-Oh cards too within the country, let me know, please, so we can run that. Yeah. I just tuned in. What are you making? We are carving a hey tiki, my bro. We're just doing the face at the moment. Jamming any games tonight? I will be live tonight. I've got to do a sponsored stream first, and then I'll probably be jamming. So I would appreciate it if everyone here, or anyone in general, can show up, because the more people there, the more will look good in front of the providers of the sponsored stream, okay? Which may lead to more opportunities in the future. So we'll try and finish this one, this piece, and then I've got a pukaya that needs to be done. If you don't know what a pukaya is, chat, it's an instrument. So that'll be a stream first as well. Hey, Cherry Wheelchair, shot for the redeem, bro. Remember you saying you did have 1 million channel points? Thank you, Dr. Somnibus, for the 3 months. Oh, 3 months in advance. Thank you, brother. Cheers, my bro. Now you'll have to figure out, we'll have to have a kōrero to see what you want to get within Whakairo. Wood carving commission. Finally made it. Cheer, my bro. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Oh dear. Ooh, scheiße. There we go. Don't live in your country, brother. I live in the Netherlands, otherwise. Yeah, but more. Nah, you're good, brother. You're good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and go local just to get them here faster, cause the anniversary is this month. But I appreciate that, my bro. Nonetheless, the thought of it. You know, although it's a thought, it's still appreciated from me. There we go. And now what we have to do now... I feel like I gotta get more of a definitive role over here, eh? Do you know the Netherlands, the country? Like, I don't know too much about it personally, but I have heard of the Netherlands, my bro. Gotta teach me something about your culture, my bro. That's a stream I want to have too, is we'll all jump in a call, have big cultural day. I found the resting place of Tangaroa and the Whiki. Good stories, the animals are known by many names around the world. Iadama, thank you for the Optimus Prime. There we... You're always welcome with me. Oh, cheers, my bro. Hey, what up, Nicatude? How you, my bro? Yeah, I still haven't got a VPN, bro. I'm trying to see if I can log in without purchasing one first. Because I'm that guy here. I think about it too much. I might get one and then it's the wrong one. They won't help me log in. It's kind of dumb that we need VPNs just to play the server now. Thank you, Dharma. How are you, brother? Hold on, chat. Just let me get this. Much better. Where are we? Tangaroa measures. What's this for? The sea? It's night time here. Gee, what's the time over there, my bro? Don't stay up too late because of me. We all gotta get our good sleep in, my bro. We all gotta get our good sleep in. Especially me, because I get grumpy as shit if I don't have enough sleep. You know what's worse? You know what's worse? Okay, hot take, hot take. Do you do any requests? I only do carvings within my culture, my brother. Yeah, sorry. Okay, hot take. Pokemon Go is a shit. Oh, Pokemon Sleep is a shit game. Why? Even when I have a bad sleep. Raticate, Squirtle, Growlithe, and Togepi. Okay. Then I had a good sleep for 8 hours, and I got the same dumb Pokemon. Bro, that's dumb. In my opinion, that's dumb. I did get a Darkrai though, but I was at the start and I didn't have enough biscuits to feed it. So, yeah, that was pretty ratchet. So yeah, Pokemon Sleep is dumb. That's just my opinion anyway. don't waste your time. Just have a sleep. That's all I'll say. Okay. Okay, Slim Butter, thanks, my bro. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm getting ready for a marathon. So I'm gonna be doing the Rotorua Marathon. Do I do marathons, guys? Hell no. Hell no, I do not. But just trying to do something outside of my comfort zone, eh? And you know, as I've lost a lot of weight, you know, I have taken a shine to running. I won't lie. And I understand the satisfaction you get out of a good run, eh? I still don't have good shoes though, but I may have ran, you know, 5Ks in my Crocs in sports mode. Just because I really wanted to go for a run. Not ideal, but hey, I got it done. But yeah, don't do that. I would say do not do that. And yeah, I do not want to be buying shoes with how expensive shit is right now. Proud of you, mate. Thank you, brother. Yeah, bro. So running has never really been something of love to me in life. But yeah, as I've gotten lighter, I just, you know, started walking with a little bit of jogging for a while. Now it's jogging with a little bit of running. And then at the same time, yeah, so I think training wise, brother, I've just been enjoying doing functional movements, eh? Like I still do weights and all that. But yeah, it's just been cool being outside, bro, and just training outside. For me, personally. But yeah, I dropped a video on all my socials of like the size comparison I was at 146 to now. But yeah, so yeah, big difference. Definitely a big difference. Do you do requests? Yeah, I only do stuff within my own culture's carving style though, my bro, within Whakairo. Sorry. Yeah, I don't really venture out. Why? Because I have received emails asking to carve naked anime characters. Yeah, I just stick to my cultural carvings, my bro. Sorry. Yeah, so with Whakairo, to those that are new, Whakairo was a way for my ancestors to record our history. We didn't have a written form of language, so this was one of them. So we have many different tribes around the country that all do Whakairo as well, but the only difference being we don't all carve the same. So in our culture there are a lot of tribal styles too. No, I don't carve swords either, my bro. Sorry, my ancestors never used them. So we have a lot of tribes within our culture that don't all carve the same. We don't all speak the same kind of dialect as well within our language, and also even right down to kapahaka, we don't all haka the same as well. Jesus, how disrespectful. I mean, I told them there's websites for that, so yeah. I don't know why they asked, because I didn't give them the I didn't give them the, you know, the stick to think that I do that kind of stuff. Well, yeah, I just told them I can't do that, but there's websites for your fantasies. Or just jump in VR chat. Yeah, it was one of the funniest emails I ever got. I lost my shit laughing at that. Hey, B Nigga Jade. How would you recommend someone getting into wood carving? Make sure you get some timber. First of all, that's what you're gonna need. And try not to get, you know, the king dingaling, king big dick wood carving tools straight away. I started off with cheap ones, bro, just to learn. And then eventually, you know, as I got better, I did start to invest in some tools. But yeah, it kind of all depends what you want to carve, bro. Like if it's more smaller stuff, you wouldn't get big tools, right? You'd get those smaller ones. But it's all fuck. What I check this grain is. This bloody grain is bent over that harder than someone on fentanyl. How much does you sell for? I don't know. I don't really think about that kind of stuff. Just make sure it's reasonable. As I mentioned in Kids Stream the other day, I'm in Melbourne for work. Next week I'm very free at night. You can catch up. Yeah, I'll be keen, bro. I'm always got time in the evenings. Hey, what's up, Dogo? How are you? Hey, I'm just happy to be home, my bro. It's been the last shit. Would I say 10 days? Have been pretty trying. I won't lie. Like I'm all good. It's just my wairua and my spirit is a bit drained. So I just need to go to the river and just go and wash it all away. Over the last couple of days, my bro, I've been at like 4 funerals. Hey, what up, Casey? Good to see you, my brother. Yeah, I've been at 4 funerals, my bro. My kids lost their great-great-great-grandfather last week. And then my godkids, they lost their great-great-grandmother too. And then pretty much after that, there was another funeral. And then one of our good bros from the carving school I graduated from passed away on Friday. Yeah, we only just buried him yesterday. Yeah, there's so where I'm from, there's this freshwater spring or river, and I usually just go there when batteries are low and just hold a rock and just sit at the bottom for a bit. Or just go to the lake and just wash it all away. Just disconnect for a bit and do that. So yeah, it's been pretty busy last couple days. But it's just good to be home. Good to be home and then reset. And it's the kids' last day at school before the school holidays, so I'm gonna figure out what to do with them. I know we're going to go and watch Super Mario. More for me, because Fox McCloud's in there. Yeah, more for me than them, probably. But they do like Super Mario, so all good. So that's the plan at the moment. But yeah, that's all I've been up to. Just, funerals, bro. I hope there's not another one anytime soon, because I am over them. I don't want that to happen anytime soon. So yeah, but I hope you're doing good too, Doko. Hope that's not too much, my bro. You know me, my bro. I'm pretty honest, eh? I just say how I feel. We'll say what I've been up to. But yeah, one thing I can't complain about is that the kids are happy. Yeah, the kids are happy. They had their time. I'm grateful that all three of mine and my wife's kids had their time with their great-great-grandfather. I mean, all 6 generations did. So that's one thing I'll always be grateful for when it comes to my elders, man, is that my kids got to spend time with them, eh? So I want to go and see I want to go and see my grandfather tomorrow and see how he's doing. That's my kid's great grandfather on my side. So he's getting old, so you know, better go and spend some time with him. Still feels like it was only yesterday. Yeah, my bro. 100% Toko. So yeah, I'm hoping that I'm not too low energy today, guys. I hope I've been entertaining for you guys. Can you come me some? Oh, I can't. Yeah, I don't do swords, my bro. I just stick to what I carve in my culture. Surely there's an anime shop around. I see those swords on display all the time. So yeah, I was finding it hard to start stream today. I won't lie to you guys, chat, but just told myself to get in there, go and do a stream, because you got another one to do later. So yeah, I had to get a Whakairo stream in for you guys today, Whānau. I hope it's been okay, but we'll get back to it in full swing over the next couple of days. I just wanted to make sure I got a stream in for you guys regardless. Go. Got loads of DMs in the Discord, but I sent one a few days back concerning some carvings I've been doing. Oh, did you? Shit. I have to have a look for it. Yeah, I have to have a look for it, my bro. Sorry. As the great Vin Diesel said, you playing Dark Raiders? Nah, bro. I'll be honest. I kind of lost interest in that pretty fast. Because that game's only fun with friends. I won't lie. And majority of the time when I ask people to play, it's no one's really around. So yeah, I kind of just lost interest in the game. I did re-download Apex though, so we'll see if I do play it. Oh no, I've just been really enjoying. Oi! Holy! Flavorskin, thank you very much for the 10 bomb, bro. Yo, thank you very much for the 10 bomb, brother. If you did get one of those, please give the bro a thank you. My God. Thank you very much, Bliverskin. Why is your name familiar to me, Bliv? Big brother Bliv. Where have I seen your name before? Or I could be just too tired. Have I seen your name before? I might just stop. I might be a bit just too tired. Thank you very much, Brother Bell. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that, Aroha, my bro. If you got one of those, please give the bro a thank you. And once again, whānau, we do have a bit of a sponsored stream tonight. I'll be showcasing some gear. Not steroids, but some computer gear. So if there's people there watching and commenting, it makes us look good. I do apologise to those that were expecting actual gear, you know. No bums will be harmed in the sponsored stream this evening, I promise you. Yes! No, I do remember. Yeah, no, I do remember your name now. Yes, bro. I thought I saw your name somewhere before. Yeah, bro. Yeah. I think it might be Twitter. I do apologise. I don't really use Twitter that much these days. I only ever used it to see the Fox McCloud announcement, and then I left again. Yes, bro. Now your name is familiar to me. Okay, so I have to drop that down too. Still a bit of timber sitting in here that I need to take out. One moment. Oh! Whoops. One moment. No matter what the weather, you said you don't fear mistakes. I envy that. What do you do if you majorly mess up? Well, there's ways around it, hey. For example, right here. Right here. There's a boo-boo right there. Balance. I went against the grain a little bit. So you see in here, that's a chip there. But because I have enough timber in here to just drop it down and make that go away, tomato, tomato. Or water under the bridge, my bro. So things to consider, eh? I would say in art. If you have methods where you can, you know, work around it, then by all means you should do so. It's not impossible to get around mistakes. The first carvings I ever did on Twitch, I made a mistake on those, but only I noticed it. And then I told the chat when we finished them, can you see what I did wrong? And they're like, what? Surprise Pikachu face. Yeah. Oh wait, how do you not see it? So just for a bit of context, one side had 5 teeth and the other had 4. But because it was fully designed there, it's hard to see. So I was like, yeah. And I left it like that. Pretty much. Yeah, like we always say, bro, we don't make mistakes. We make adjustments. There's always ways around it. Always will be. And for example, say this section here. Say we absolutely messed up here, eh? Say we did a Dr. 90210, whatever the hell his name is, and we cut the whole nose off, right? So what we would do, we'd section this one off. So we'd get a pencil, you know, get a pencil here. I'd go, just block out the section that we've lost, like cut it all out. This is this section here. And we'd get a block, do an implant, and shave it all down. Believe it or not, I did an implant on our first carvings we ever did too. There was a rot in the mouth and I cut it all out. Got some other timber, you know, gorilla glued it in and shaved it down. And yeah, carried on. So there's always methods there. It's just a matter of what method would work best for you. Yeah, the reason why I'm not afraid to make mistakes, so a lot of, you know, old carvings that carvers before me have done, bro, there are some boo-boos on those, man, and they just left them there. You can see it clear as day, they just left them there. So I kind of just adopted that too and just leave it there. When I gave those carvings back to my previous employers who were a client of their piece, they saw it and went, nah, looks all good. I was like, I know, that's why I left it. I know it is. Thank you, once again, Brother Belv, if you're still here, my bro. How many different chisels do you have? 32 maybe? Yeah, I'd say about that much. Maybe less. No, maybe more, I should say. Working on some stuff. Oh, you're all good, brother. Just want to make sure. Do you use them all equally? No, there are some I love more than others. I'm not like Tank off Surf and he polishes all his trophies. I may polish more than others. Do they feel the neglect? Probably, but I don't talk chisel, so I'll never know. I'll never know. Holy shit, that's a lot. I'll be honest, bro, that's a little bit compared to carvers I know. They've got the whole shop in their pouch. I'm like, you don't need all of those. I just have what I want, what I needed. Yeah. This is my girls. These are my ladies. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not like the Tank. These are my ladies. You're on, Pecker Face. Pecker Face. where are we? So, Steffi, I was working with basically 2 and I just picked up 10 little guys, or might have 10, so I can do detailing. Nice, brother. How many splinters do you currently have? I've never had a splinter in my life. Definitely an art. Appreciate you. Hey, brother, how have you been? I just spent 6 months with my fiance in England, but I had to come back to America, unfortunately, for now. Only allowed, wait, 6 months visa over there. True. I've been good ever. I've been good. Been busy with a few things, brother. But we truck on, my friend. We truck on. For no more splinters. Hey, if I do that, it might end up a different color to my skin color. Nah. Stroke onward, eh? Yeah, no, I don't, like the palms of my hands are like dry. It's probably drier than a dad joke, to be honest. Yeah, no, I've never really gotten splinters before. Where's some wood chips? Yeah, like, see? Like if I roll them in my hands, see? Not catching. Nah. Not catching at all. So if they ever made wood type Pokemons, they ain't got shit on me. I'm that one Rhydon that knows how to use Surf. Thought I'd throw a Pokemon reference in there, chat, if you know which one. Is the wood you choose to carve hard or soft? For projects like this, you'd go with something more soft to medium in terms of like density. Like I do have one that's made out of pure hardwood. I'll go and get it. This is it here. So this is the one made out of hardwood. So this is the Heitiki that I use as a reference to, you know, what we're currently carving. So we done this one last year. This Heitiki here. So this was me just having a bit of fun, really. So you can see, on the body that it has 2 different kind of forms. One side is square and the other side is round. Now I wanted to mix both of the forms in from the Heitiki that we do in the one. This is just here purely for fun. And then you see the design on said carving. Now on the squarer side, it is a bit more contemporary. So the notches that you see here, okay? So you can kind of see them. Just moving around the vise real quick. So you can see all the notches there, eh? So you can kind of see all the notches there. So all these ones on this section, so that's more of a contemporary flow. This is the traditional way we do taratara akai. This one here. So our designs are more like curvilinear. So they have more curvilinear styles formed within them. So that's the original way, or the way we actually do it, I should say. Like even on this side here, this is a contemporary variant as well. I was just experimenting, that's all these designs are. So even though we're still doing taratara akai over here, I dug the middle ridge out. So you can see on this one and this one here, there's that middle ridge that resides within the cuts. I took it out here to have a look at, see what it looks like, and I like it. And then you have the middle ridge flow there, so that's the traditional flow again on that side. And then I did it all along this section here, and then the eye. So yeah, that's pretty much him. This timber is called Rata, R-A-T-A. So the reason why it's so dark compared to my mallet, so my mallet is the same timber as well, that there. So the reason why the Heitiki is darker is because it got stained with linseed oil. So the reason why I didn't want to use such a heavy stain is because the grain is actually looks different in the head. So you can kind of see it's darker, eh? It's like darker there, and then you move down the body, and then it's gone light. So that's why I'll use stains that are really, that is really kind of not so heavy on the cover up, if that makes sense. So I normally choose that way because I don't want it to be covered fully. I like to showcase the natural grains and flows within, you know, X timber, whatever it may be. Like even with this, like even with pine, you can see the rows there. I don't want to cover that up. I want to showcase that. So that's something else that I'm probably going to showcase within this piece. Even on the other side too. Keep in mind that this is going to be double-sided. Okay? That's in there. So working on the face right now. So you can start to see the levels start coming out now. So it may look like not look like anything there, but then you tilt it a bit more, and then you see it start to take shape over there. So that's the mouth that molds into the eye section, the brow, and then the nose that we've rounded over. So yeah. So that's this one. So you can see the arm that goes on the body. The arm over here tucks behind this leg, and it's on that side. It's on the leg on that side, and that arm up the top tucks behind the body. See, just little things there, little things that I consider when doing these. And then now I'm there. Also, to those that are new, the inspiration for the Heitiki actually comes from a baby, like newborns. So that's where the form came from. Like the head tilted on the side there. Because kids can never hold their head up straight up, eh? And doing the baby scrunch. So Heitikis represent protection, fertility as well, depending on who's wearing it. And we also name our ancestors after them too. So just another thing about this carving. That's why, you know, I rather showcase the cultural side of my carving. My culture, sorry. The carving side of my culture, sorry. Whatever way it's supposed to be. But yeah. So that's all, so this is probably the last Heitiki that I'm going to do on stream for a while. But yeah, this is just me doing another one. A double-sided one, and it's just a bit bigger than the other one we done too. So yeah. Very cool. Hey, glad you think that way, my bro. So, yeah, there's a lot more to my culture, but I'm gonna have to showcase the performing side of it on YouTube videos because I don't have Starlink or IRL streaming set up. Yeah, so it's kind of like, yeah, one's there and one's on the leg. So if it turns around, this arm will be tucked on the other side like that, and the other arm will be, you know, frontward on the leg. So it's kind of like even a figure eight kind of thing. Just a random idea I had while I was carving it. I was like, oh, what if I just do this? I tend to So when I'm carving, I tend to think about 10 different things at the same time, like what ifs kind of things, you know? Yo, what up, brother Falcon? How you, brother? Yeah, so I tend to think about a lot of those. A lot of different things at the same time. Brain's always working kind of thing, you know? Yo, thank you for the follow, Falcon. My goal is to hopefully get to 1,000 followers before the end of the year on Kick. But yeah, as I mentioned before to all those that are watching on the different platforms, I am moving my GTA streams over to Kick. Just because all my mates are there too. They're all there. What's the time? Okay, it's 1:24. $1:24 at the moment. So I will probably be jamming tonight. Yeah, I'm probably going to be jamming tonight. Hey, Big Belv, thank you very much for following on there too as well. I'll give you a follow back as well, my bro. So yes, to those, unfortunately, I am going to be playing League of Legends because my main man Brom got the victorious skin this year, and I need it because he's my favorite. He's my favorite character as a whole within the League universe, or one of the few. You play the new WoW expansion? Yes, I have to level my Shaman next because my mates have a community raid night every Friday, and I want to play Resto. I've never healed before, so I want to do that. So yeah, I've got to try and play ranked and get to gold. I think gold's the minimum, for Victoria's skin. Yeah, I'm going to try and get the gold. So I have a level 90 warrior, and my hunter's almost level 90. One more level. Hold on, Jack. Some of my tools away. So yeah, tonight around 7:30. It is currently 1:26. I'll be doing a sponsored stream for an hour. So I'll be doing that. And then we get to test out the product. I'll probably play Overwatch, just to test it out. So if you want to show up to that tonight, feel free to do so, because it'll make us look good. It'll make us look good, guys. 30 hours of Overwatch over the past couple days. How did you go? I'm too scared to play ranked D on that game. Terrible. Sounds like me, brother. Sounds like me. Oh, Howard Stadium. That's the one with all the perks, eh? I haven't played that one yet. I know, what's that one game that's kind of similar? Deadlock. Deadlock's up at the same too, eh? Alright, YouTube, I'm just going to finish up for now. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time, okay?